Welcome. Our topic for this video is all about automatic succession of the Assistant Provincial, City, Municipal Treasurer, designation in the absence of an Assistant Local Treasurer, and the relief or detail of Local Treasurers and Assistant Local Treasurers. The reference is LTOM 2nd edition, Chapter 2, Section 10, Section 11, and Section 12. Number 1. What is the requirement for the Assistant Local Treasurer who automatically assume as in charge of office Local Treasurer? A. Recommendation from the LCE concerned. B. Order of Designation from the BLGF. C. Notification to concerned BLGF Regional Director, banks, and the COA. D. Approval from the Secretary of Finance. Answer, letter C. The regularly appointed Assistant Local Treasurer may automatically perform the functions as in charge of office without the need of order of designation from the BLGF, but should notify directly the concerned BLGF Regional Director, the concerned banks, and the COA of the absence, sickness, death, or any other reason of incapacity of the regular incumbent to discharge his functions, and of the date of his assumption. Number 2. Who shall issue the order of designation of the Assistant Local Treasurer in the absence, sickness, death, or any other reason of incapacity of the Local Treasurer? A. LCE concerned. B. BLGF Regional Director. C. COA Director. D. BLGF Administrative Division. Answer, letter B. Within 48 hours after the BLGF Regional Director's receipt of the notification, in the absence of the recommendation of the LCE concerned, the BLGF Regional Director shall issue the order of designation of the Assistant Local Treasurer. In the case of the NCR, the BLGF Executive Director shall immediately recommend to the Secretary of Finance for the issuance of the designation order. Number 3. What is the duty of the BLGF with regard to impending vacancies of Local Provincial, City, Municipal Treasurer? A. To ensure that impending vacancies are properly monitored and immediately acted upon. B. To recommend the Assistant Local Treasurer for automatic succession. C. To issue the order of appointment to the Assistant Local Treasurer. D. To authorize the LCE to hire and fill up the impending vacancies. Answer, letter A. It shall be the duty of the BLGF to ensure that impending vacancies are properly monitored and immediately acted upon, and that the concerned local chief executive is properly informed. Number 4. Who may be designated as acting OIC or ICO Provincial, City, Municipal Treasurer if there is no regularly appointed Assistant Treasurer? A. Any personnel from any office of the LGU. B. Any personnel from the Local Treasury Office who is duly bonded and qualified. C. Any personnel from the Local Treasury Office whom the Local Treasurer trusted. D. Any personnel from the LGU who is duly bonded and qualified. Answer, letter B. If there is no regularly appointed Assistant Treasurer, the next ranking and qualified personnel of the Local Treasury Office, who is duly bonded and qualified, may be designated as acting OIC or ICO Provincial, City, Municipal Treasurer. Number 5. Under the detail of Treasurers and Assistant Treasurers, what is the authority of the parent LGU during the period of the detail? A. It retains administrative supervision over the detailed treasurer or assistant treasurer. B. It has the authority to discipline the detailed treasurer or assistant treasurer. C. It has the authority to approve requests for leave by the detailed treasurer or assistant treasurer. D. It has no administrative authority over the detailed treasurer or assistant treasurer. Answer, letter D. The parent LGU relinquishes administrative supervision over the detailed treasurer/assistant treasurer to the receiving agency during the period of the detail. Number 6. Who has the authority to issue a detail order for a local treasurer being detailed to another office or agency? A. The LCE of the parent agency. B. The Secretary of Finance or his duly authorized representative. C. The LCE of the receiving agency. D. The BLGF of his duly authorized representative. Answer, letter B. In the case of a local treasurer being detailed to another office or agency, the detail order shall be issued by the Secretary of Finance or his duly authorized representative upon the recommendation, consent, approval of the local chief executive concerned. Number 7. Which of the following positions are eligible for secondment? A. Administrative support staff. B. Elected officials. C. Managers, professionals, technical, and scientific positions. D. Those positions that are coterminous with the current administration. Answer, letter C. Secondment is limited to employees occupying managerial, professional, technical, and scientific positions. These positions generally require a certain level of expertise, specialized knowledge, or skills, making them suitable for temporary assignments in different departments or agencies. Number 8. When is approval by the Civil Service Commission required for a secondment that lasts less than 1 year? A. When the secondment is most likely be extended. B. When the secondment is to an international body or organization. C. When the secondment is extended and covers a total period of 1 year or more. D. None of the above. Answer, letter C. The LTOM states that secondment for a period of 1 year or more shall be subject to approval by the CSC. In case the secondment of less than 1 year is extended and such extension shall cover a total period of 1 year or more, the extension shall be subject to CSC approval. Number 9. What is the transfer in the context of the Section 11 of Civil Service Commission Memorandum Circular Number 24, Series of 2017? A. Movement of an employee from one position to another which is of lower rank, level, or salary. B. Movement of an employee from one position to another which is of equivalent rank, level, or salary without gap in the service involving the issuance of an appointment. C. Movement of an employee from one position to another which is of higher rank, level, or salary without gap in the service involving the issuance of an appointment. D. Movement of an employee from one department or agency to another without clearance from the LCE. Answer, letter B. Transfer, in the context of CSC Memorandum Circular Number 24, Series of 2017, refers to the movement of an employee from one position to another, which is of equivalent rank, level, or salary without a gap in the service and involving the issuance of an appointment. Number 10. Under the CSC rules on reassignment, Which of the following is not an example of reassignment that constitutes constructive dismissal? A. Reassignment to an office not in the existing organizational structure. B. Reassignment that causes significant financial dislocation. C. Reassignment to perform duties and responsibilities inconsistent with the position. D. Reassignment within the same department or agency that does not involve reduction in rank. Answer, letter D. The reassignment is presumed to be regular and made in the interest or exigency of public service unless proven otherwise or if it constitutes constructive dismissal. However, reassignment within the same department or agency that does not involve reduction in rank is not an example of constructive dismissal. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. You may comment your questions below.